Hey, what's up, everyone? I just want to talk about the current plans for my salvage Mustang, and that is currently saving up for a ESS G2 supercharger that should hopefully be going on in the summer when I get enough money. But for the time being, I want to start making more consistent videos and stuff, and so probably have a couple videos fixing some things up, like my exhaust where the tips are like that. There's a small little leak where we just put in Texas Speed long tube headers, so she sounds gnarly now and is an absolute blast to drive. But where I did it on a jack and jack stands, so it wasn't the best. I couldn't really film it even though I really wanted to, but it just didn't work out because it took me forever. But yeah, gotta change the oil as well. Probably make something on that, even though it's really simple. I have a fog light that fell out over here. My driver's side fog light, if you can see, there's not one in there. From whenever I rebuilt it, the new bracket that I had got broke because of my driveway is gravel, an absolute mess. So that's why I haven't even thought about lowering it yet until that gets fixed. Yeah, probably make a video getting this up on the lift at my shop, or at my grandpa's shop. So straighten out the tips and fixing the exhaust sleeve, and maybe washing it because she's filthy. You can kind of see, get up close, it's absolutely filthy. Got the wheels, muddy wheel wells. It's awful because the weather down here has been not too kind. Been snowy, wet, so mud everywhere. But I'll probably have a nighttime kind of POV drive right after this of me cruising home from work when I get off, because I think she sounds absolutely wicked with because it's got the Corsa Sport mufflers or whatever comes with Extreme. I just don't have the double X, so it's got catless Texas Speed long tube headers going down to an H pipe with a resonator delete to the Corsa mufflers. And so after the supercharger, I'll probably go and get a double X or a wheel and tire setup. I don't entirely know exactly what I want to go with yet, because I don't know what wheel spec I want, but wheels are either white or bronze. Really leaning towards white because I think it's unique, and I still think it looks amazing with these cars, which some people don't, some people do, but my car. So yeah, the car's still an absolute blast. Haven't had any troubles. She is tuned by Palm Beach, and it will be most likely tuned by Palm Beach again whenever it gets the the supercharger where it's ESS. I'm probably not going to go boost the pump or anything right away, so I'm getting just the G2 with 47-pound injectors to start out with. Probably going to make a little bit under 600 of the wheels, and then after that we'll get a boost to pump and probably some ID 1050Xs, and maybe pulley down. I don't know, because I'll go with 120 millimeter, which is their 7.5 psi of boost. Maybe I'll be able to pulley down. I don't really know, but I just want to probably have 650 wheel daily, so I don't need the G3 or anything like that. Maybe I can push 700. That'd be pretty fun. Yeah. I also, for Christmas, I was able to get the MP Concepts Performance Pack style spoiler, and I love it so much over my factory one. Yeah. So yeah, there will be a little drive POV after this, and should be having some more consistent videos after this of just regular maintenance, driving the car, and talking about plans, getting more in depth into what I want for the build, and actually working on it, because I wanted to film every bit of me working on it, but then I get kind of discouraged, but we'll see. Really want to be able to do something with this, so see y'all next time.